In the whirlwind of financial markets where a single tweet from President Donald Trump can send stocks soaring or crashing, Larry Benedict's one-ticker trader service promises a way to profit from the chaos. Launched with a bold claim of a 100% win rate across 13 trades in the first quarter of 2025, this service hinges on trigger stocks, leveraged ETFs designed to amplify market moves. With a discounted $79 price tag, down from $499, and a 60-day risk-free trial, Benedict, a Wall Street legend featured in Market Wizards, aims to guide investors through a predicted $194 trillion market wave driven by Trump's policies. But does one-ticker trader live up to the hype? Or is it just another newsletter promising the moon? This review dives into the service's offerings, strengths, risks, and whether it's worth your time and money. What is One-Ticker Trader? One-Ticker Trader is a subscription-based trading service led by Larry Benedict, a veteran trader with a 20-year winning streak from 1990 to 2010. The service focuses on trigger stocks, a new breed of leveraged ETFs that track single stocks like Tesla, NVIDIA, or Strategy, a crypto company, and aim to deliver 2 to 3 times their daily returns. Unlike traditional ETFs, these securities thrive in volatile markets, amplifying gains and losses whether stocks rise or fall. For example, an 85% weekly gain in a Tesla trigger stock, or a 34% gain from NVIDIA's 17% drop showcases their potential. The service includes trade alerts, real-time notifications with specific entry and exit prices and rationales, special reports, 4 guides including Trump's trigger tickers, 3 stocks to watch for outsized gains, how to boost your profits with leveraged ETFs, drill baby drill, how to leverage your wealth in the U.S. energy market, and the 3X Retirement Accelerator. Members-only website, 24/7 access to Benedict's portfolio, track record, and video updates. VIP support, assistance for membership queries, though not personalized investment advice. For $79, subscribers get a 60-day trial, a full refund if unsatisfied, and keep all reports, a compelling offer for a service typically priced at $499. The pitch: trigger stocks and Trump's market impact. Benedict's pitch centers on Trump's ability to disrupt markets, backed by a National Bureau of Economic Research study showing 90% of market jumps are policy-driven. Trump's actions, tweets, tariffs, or Executive Order No. 14215, which makes agencies like the Federal Reserve accountable to him, create volatility perfect for trigger stocks. Benedict predicts a Fed announcement before June 18, 2025, could spark a $194 trillion market wave akin to Reagan's 1982 bull run. His service aims to capitalize on this through 3 key tickers. Tesla, fueled by Trump's relationship with Elon Musk, a Tesla trigger stock gained 85% in a week post-election, while an inverse ETF turned a 19% loss into a 23% gain. NVIDIA. As an AI leader, NVIDIA's trigger stock turned 8.9% and 12.8% gains into 17.3% and 26.3% respectively, and a 17% loss into a 34% win. Strategy, a crypto play boosted by Trump's pro-crypto policies, with trigger stocks delivering 86% and 53% gains in a week. Benedict also covers broader leveraged ETFs, like a semiconductor ETF that tripled SMH's 41% gain to 123%, and an energy ETF up 30% under Trump's policies. Strengths of one-ticker trader. Proven track record. Benedict's credentials are hard to dispute. His 20-year streak, $95 million profit in the 2008 crash, and 100% win rate in Q1 2025, turning $1,000 into $4,100 across 13 trades, inspire confidence. His Market Wizards feature adds credibility. Accessibility: trigger stocks are easy to trade through any broker, unlike complex options. The service's focus on one ticker at a time simplifies decision-making, ideal for beginners or busy investors. Comprehensive resources. The 4 reports provide actionable insights from specific tickers to IRA strategies. The 3X Retirement Accelerator is a standout, showing how to use leveraged ETFs in restricted accounts. Low-risk trial. The $79 price, 60-day refund, and keeping reports even if you cancel, make it a low-stakes entry point. Timely opportunity. With Trump's market-moving actions and a looming Fed announcement, the service feels relevant, especially for those betting on volatility. Risks and drawbacks. High risk of leveraged ETFs. Trigger stocks amplify losses as much as gains. A 5% stock drop could mean a 10 to 15% hit to your ETF. Timing is critical, and even Benedict's alerts can't guarantee success. Hype versus reality. The $194 trillion wave sounds enticing, but it's speculative. Past performance, such as 85% gains, doesn't ensure future results, and the pitch's urgency may pressure impulsive decisions. Limited scope. The focus on 3 stocks, Tesla, NVIDIA, and strategy, and select sectors like energy and semiconductors may not suit diversified portfolios. The service's one-ticker approach could feel restrictive for some. No personalized advice. The VIP support doesn't offer tailored investment guidance, so you're relying on Benedict's general recommendations. One-ticker trader is best for active traders. Those comfortable with high-risk, high-reward strategies and quick trades will love the leveraged ETF focus. Trump market believers. If you buy into Trump's market influence and want to capitalize on volatility, this service aligns perfectly. Beginners with caution. The simple trading mechanics and clear alerts make it accessible, but novices should start small due to the risks. IRA investors. The 3X Retirement Accelerator offers a unique way to boost retirement accounts. It's less ideal for conservative investors or those seeking long-term, low-risk strategies, as leveraged ETFs are inherently volatile. Does it deliver value? At $79 for a 60-day trial, one ticker trader offers strong value, especially with the 4 reports and access to Benedict's expertise. The 100% win rate in the first quarter of 2025 and historical successes like 2022's double-digit gains suggest potential. However, the leveraged ETF strategy demands discipline and risk tolerance. The refund policy and retained reports lower the barrier to entry, making it worth a look for those intrigued by Trump-driven markets. Conclusion: a high-stakes bet worth considering? One ticker trader is a compelling service for traders eager to ride Trump's volatile market waves. Benedict's track record, actionable reports, and focus on trigger stocks make it a standout, especially with the low-cost trial. However, the high-risk nature of leveraged ETFs and speculative $194 trillion claim warrant caution. If you're ready to trade actively and embrace volatility, this could be a game-changer. Otherwise, stick to safer bets. Curious? Try it risk-free and see if Benedict's picks live up to the hype before June 18, 2025.